Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a step-by-step guide on integrating WhatsApp with your chatbot on Botpress. So to get started, we first need to make sure that our Botpress chatbot is published, and we can do that by going to the top right of the Botpress Studio and clicking the Publish button. Next up, we want to open the Botpress Cloud dashboard and enable WhatsApp as a channel for our bot. For the verification token, you'll need to enter a unique string, and this is used to get the required phone number ID and access token from Meta. So if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Meta developer account. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And to verify the account, enter the code sent to the phone number that you register and confirm your email associated with Facebook. Pick one of the messaging template options that fits your bot and complete the developer registration steps. Now in your Meta account, create a new app and select business as the app type. Give your application a name, and then under products, find WhatsApp and click on setup. This is going to integrate WhatsApp with your application. And on the sidebar, click on get started. Here you'll find your WhatsApp phone number ID and a temporary access token. So copy the generated webhook URL back in your Meta developer account under WhatsApp configuration. Next, paste this same webhook URL into the callback URL field. Use the unique verification token from earlier. Under webhook events, click manage and subscribe to the messages event. This enables messaging. And now simply head back to get started in Meta and add a test phone number that you can use for WhatsApp. Click the send message button. This will send a test welcome message to your phone number, and then reply back with hi to the phone number to start a conversation. Your WhatsApp chatbot is now fully integrated. And that covers the complete process for connecting our chatbot with Botpress to WhatsApp messaging. Let me know if you have any other questions on this topic. We'll be gladly answering them in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing for our future videos.